This video was produced by students for training purposes only and is provided on an as-is basis. ISU and the state of Idaho make no warranties about the completeness, reliability, usefulness, or accuracy of this information. Any action you take upon the information provided is strictly at your own risk, and ISU and the state of Idaho will not be liable for any errors, omissions, losses, or damages in connection with the use of the contents of this video.
And today we're flying the 3DR Solo out by the Rise building in Pocatello, Idaho. So first we're going to go through our checklist here. We're starting out with our pre-flight mission planner. We've already created a mission plan back in class. Make sure your home location is near the start of your flight plan. Make sure that the drone is on a flat surface and facing towards clear area away from people. Before each mission, calibrate the drone. Open the Tower app on the tablet and do all necessary pre-flight checks. Press and hold fly on the controller to take off. Use trigger on top left side of controller to turn camera to nadir. Once UAS has taken off, there will be an auto icon that appears on the screen. Press it to begin automated flight path.
Swipe to arm.
So now that moves the drone's arm.
And then you press fly.
And we're ready? Everybody's back. I don't see any cars, no immediate things going on.
Alright, camera down to nadir. And press auto. Auto. Right up here.
Now let's go. .50-meter altitude, our flight battery is 77.
It's doing a pretty good job of bringing itself down.